Hi, everyone out there in YouTube land. I just signed up for Ipsy, got my first package. Figured I would do an unboxing video. I told my cousin I would. So this is my first unboxing video for Ipsy. I signed up because I have no idea what I'm doing when it comes to makeup, using it, or buying it. So I figured it would just be best to have someone send me samples. And then I can decide whether or not I like it, and then rather than buying a whole thing and then not liking it, or not liking how it looks or whatever. So when I filled out my profile, I said that I have brown eyes and light skin. I think I said light skin and not fair skin. And for the hair color, I said other. As you can see, my hair is sort of green and black right now. I change it every so often. Naturally, it's brown, though. I don't know if you can see that. But, yeah, that's it. It's kind of a mess. My hair's kind of a mess right now. But this is the end of the day. And then I said that I wanted all the things and that I was not very comfortable using makeup in general. My cat's trying to get in here. Anyway, so here we go. Open it up. Let's see. It came in a, oh, this is cute. It came in a bag. It's got leaves on it. The zipper is sort of a peachy pink. It says Ipsy. It's backwards, but it says Ipsy. Open it. First is it says Roller Lash. Roller Lash. It's a super curling and lifting mascara. It's a roller for lashes. So straight, dream curl, hook and roll, brush patent pending, hook design and position, catches, lifts, and curls. 97% said it visibly lifts lashes. 87% says it gives long-lasting curl. 94% said eyes look more wide open. Well, I could use that. My eyes are kind of like droopy a little bit. Consumer panel survey on 31 women after 4 weeks. My cat's trying to get in the room. So it's black. So let's open it up. Dice, what do you want? Oh, he was in the closet. He's trying to get out. Give me 1 second. Let him out. Sorry about that. Sometimes he climbs in the closet in this room and then can't get out. So, opening the box. This is the tube that it comes in. You can see it says Roller Lash. And let's try it, shall we? Yeah, I don't actually have a mirror in here either, so this camera is going to be my mirror. It's going to be great. Oh, one thing about me, because of this birthmark that I have here, this hemangioma, I actually am missing several lashes on this eyelid here. It's a thing. It sucks, but it's a thing. Alright. So, opening it. And here's the brush. Where's the camera? Here it is. Here's the brush. I'm recording this on my phone, by the way, because I couldn't find a webcam in this house that worked. So, this is the quality we're getting here. Alright, here we go. And like I said, I don't even know if I'm doing this right, because I'm not comfortable when it comes to makeup, so that's one eye. Huh. Already looks a little darker. Fuller. And putting more on the brush for the second eye. Like I said, I'm missing some eyelashes right here, so I'll have to like do it in sections. First the inner, right here. And then the outer. I don't have as many lashes on this eye, so it's gonna look kind of funny. But that's how it's gonna be. That's how my eye is. Alright. So there's mascara on my eyes. Am I look pretty? Okay, so that's that one. And alright, so that's the Roller Lash Mascara. Alright, put that one back. Kind of like it. It was pretty simple. I like what it did with this eye anyway. I mean, I know this one is missing lashes, but I like what it did with this eye. Alright, so that was neat. And what else is in this bag here? We have Cuccio Color. It says, for the love of color, for the love of color, for the love of color. Oh, it's purple. This is my favorite color. Oh, it's nail polish, and quite possibly my favorite shade of purple. I love the shade. You'll have to put some on, but maybe later. I'll definitely put some on for you, though, at some point. If you heard that, there's a thunderstorm outside. Alright, so what else we have? Cotton Candy Blusher, Phase 0. Alright, it's blush. I don't quite know how to put blush on. It'll be an experiment. Cotton Candy Blusher distributed by Hatch Beauty Limited. Phase 0 makeup. Opening the case. Open the case. Trying to open the case here. There it is. Oh, it came with a little mirror. And yes, you can see that there's spot. I pressed the phone on a computer laptop and you can see it's Spotify. Alright. So it came with a little mirror and there's blush right there. So, it did not come with brushes, but I found this at Hot Topic the other day. It is so cute. It's Stitch and he's holding the brushes. Okay, he's kind of cute. So, I guess I'll use the big one. I have, let's see here. Oh, there's my cat. Hi, Dice. What you doing? So now there's pink blush on my face. I don't know that it's really all that visible. I don't really see a difference. It definitely came off on the brush, but I don't know that I really see. I can see a little bit of difference when I look in the mirror here. Maybe a little bit. Maybe a little bit. Alright, so that's the Cotton Candy Blusher. Probably not a color I would choose on my own because honestly, like, I don't see that much. I see a little bit of difference, but not that much. Okay. I mean, maybe that's supposed to be, I don't know. Alright, what else is in here? Got What's the Tea? Hot Tea Eyeshadow Mini Warm Shade. It's infused with chamomile. That's a little comic on it, and she says, it's infused with chamomile. And she says the same thing, but in French. So I'm not going to try to say it, and I'll pronounce it. I took Spanish in high school. If I say it, I'll pronounce it wrong and offend a whole bunch of people. So, it's eyeshadow, a warm shade. When Ipsy asked me what colors I prefer, I said, send me all the colors. So, this is what it came up with. Oh, that's cute. It's in the shape of a teacup. Hot Tea eyeshadow. Alright, so let's try it out. Eyeshadow. This one does not come with a mirror. So I'm going to be using the camera to do eyeshadow. Now, hang on. I'm not... Oh, there's a little magnet. There's a magnet in this, so it stays closed, which that's really nice. You don't want to get product all over. I am not 100% sure how to do eyeshadow. Also, probably should have done it before the mascara. I mentioned I don't know how to do this. There's a little pamphlet. Oh. No, this is not a pamphlet. Is it? it does tell me how to do things. So, for the eyeshadow, it says use a fluffy eyeshadow brush. I'm not sure which one of these is the eyeshadow brush, but they're all fluffy. Like Stitch. He's cute and fluffy. It says use a fluffy eyeshadow brush to blend ooh la la all over your lids and into my eye crease. Which I'm assuming is that. So, fluffy eyeshadow brush. Is it this one? I don't know. Is it this one? It could be. I don't know. These are all fluffy. And it doesn't say. The brush doesn't say. It just says made by Disney. So I'm going to use this one. I don't know if this is right. Okay. So like I said, I'm going to use the camera for this because I don't know. I don't have a mirror. Except, actually, I do have the mirror from the blush. Where'd it go? I have the mirror from the blush. I'll use that maybe. So you can look at me awkwardly doing eyeshadow with the... Alright, here we go. This is... Alright, so taking the brush, putting it in the eyeshadow, using this mirror from the blush on my eye. It's a warm shade. Oh, it looks like someone punched me in the face. Try it on the other one. So now I am wearing a... Yeah, it really looks like someone punched me in the face. Awesome. I look like I got punched in the face. Not a color I would wear on my own. Sorry. That's just, yeah. I don't know if I applied it wrong, but yeah, this is not... I look like someone punched me in the face. So, this is not happening. Alright, so... I think I did. I also got a hyaluronic acid moisturizing mask by Midflower. Open the packet, gently remove and unfold the mask, apply the mask evenly onto a clean face. Well, now I have makeup all over my face, so this is not happening tonight. I can go wash my face, I guess. Onto a clean face by smoothing it along my facial contours. Allow the mask to infuse for 20 to 30 minutes. For best results, allow the mask to dry completely before removal. Well, I don't know that it's 9:30 already tonight. Probably don't have time to sit for another half an hour. I gotta work in the morning. Remove and discard the mask. Massage excess essence into your skin and lightly rinse as needed. Proceed with your regular daily skincare routine. Okay, so another day I will try this on video for you, but not today. Well, that's neat. So that's all the things. I know I still need to try this nail polish. I'm super excited about it. I love this color. I don't think I've ever tried the brand. Oh, the color is called Mercury Rising. So that's pretty. Gosh, I look like someone punched me. Alright. Yeah. I don't really like this What's the Tea. I guess I know I don't like this brown color for eyeshadow. Not a fan. Not a fan. But they didn't send me my favorite color in nail polish, so I'm going to be good for another month, I think. So next month, for August, I will, I'll keep going for August, and I'll make another video. Yep, and then it sends you a card that tells you what the products are and how to use them. So that's it. Alright, I hope that you have all enjoyed. I will come back again with more info on this nail polish to show you how it applies and how fast it dries and how it looks. And then for this mask, which actually I'm kind of excited about. Alright.